So the first thing we need to do is to click on file and hit new. So for this tutorial I'll be using 2000 by 2200 pixel resolution. I'll make it 300. When you're done, you hit create. So the first thing we need to do is to add a solid color to this. Add a solid color to this design. So click on this little icon here and click on solid color. So this is the first color code. Paste it over here and click OK. So let's pick the second color code, which is this one here. Create a new layer. Use a brush tool. Increase the size of the brush by clicking on this. Let's bring it down a little. Use your pen to change this to shape and use this color code. So create a new layer. And use the pen to draw something like this. Let's add the layer mask to this. Use your brush to by pressing B on the keyboard. Change this to black and increase the opacity a little. And so let's add a stroke to this top layer. Use the size of the stroke and change the color to something like this. Use the size of the stroke a little. So let's bring in the image of the product. Okay, this is better. Let's start painting. Create a new layer below this product image and use your brush to create a new layer. Use your ellipse tool and let's draw a shape just like this and change this to let's make it lighter. Okay, this is better. So create a new layer and hold down alt and click between this layer to add a clipping mask. Or you can right click and hit on clipping mask. All right, so change over to this color and sorry, use your gradient to oh sorry, so create a new layer above the previous layer we created and change the foreground color to white and let's tap just once. I'll change the blending option to overlay. Yeah, so press Ctrl G to group and let's move it over here. Press Ctrl J to duplicate and press Ctrl E. Let's add the motion blur to this. hold and alt and drag. Increase the size of this product a little. So the next thing we need to do is to stay organized. So on the top layer, hold down Control Alt Shift and E. Let's make the design pop. So just follow my settings and you get the same results. Okay. So guys, here comes the end of this video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please do well to give it a like, and I will see you guys in my next video. Stay creative.